Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
A pullback in the dollar offered the euro some respite, allowing it to edge away from two-decade lows reached this week after surging energy prices fanned recession fears. Tesla plans to open up its supercharger network to non-Tesla electric vehicles in the US in late 2022. The company has been allowing non-Tesla EVs to use its supercharger plugs in several cities in Europe as part of a limited pilot program, but has been quiet about when US charging stations would be available to non-Tesla EV owners. Gold prices traded slightly higher and may snap a 7-day losing streak, the longest string of losses for the yellow metal in more than 3 years. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.9% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Amazon shares gain 2.3%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The US average hourly earnings will be released at 12:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Austrian trade balance at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.